Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another Power Up session. 5-minute practices to increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall productivity. Today, we're going to be doing one of my favorite breathing practices for bringing a state of balance and clarity to the mind. It's called Nadi Shodhana, or the alternate nostril breathing, where we're going to be breathing back and forth, creating this balance between the hemispheres and making our mind super focused. I'm going to guide you through the first few rounds so you understand the breathing, and then you can continue on your own. We're going to do this for 5 minutes today. Before we get into our breathing, we're going to do 3 ventilation breaths. So come to your comfortable seated position. Inhale through the nose, forceful exhalation through the mouth. Again, in through the nose, forceful through the mouth. One more. Now block the right nostril with the right thumb and inhale through the left nostril. Then block the left nostril with the ring finger, exhale to the right. Stay on the right, inhale right, exhale left. That's one round. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Beautiful. And continue on your own. Try to make both the inhalation and exhalation equal. This is one of the greatest breathing practices ever for balancing and harmonizing the mind, balancing the energy between the mind and body, increasing an overall state of presence. As we develop our presence, we become more productive, we become more effective, we remember things better, we learn things better. All of this can be achieved by this balancing breathing, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Keep breathing, only 2 minutes remain. And finish the round you're on the next time you exhale to the left nostril. Sitting with the eyes closed, tension turned inside. Noticing the effect of this practice. Balancing between the left and right. Harmonizing of the mind. Creating a state of simultaneously being energized and relaxed. Beautiful. Congratulations on completing another power-up session to increase your productivity. If you enjoyed this class, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and remember there's plenty more where that came from. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.